fucking fuming! No, fucking
Hey,
Yeah.
I think I have something you can show me.
Sure, what is it?
What is this? What is this, Morgan? Oh my hot Roblox!
I really just want to die.
Are you really Steve Irwin, the crocodile hunter?
Crikey! Sure am. Now suck my fucking...
You know what show this Krabby Patty's from?
McDonald's?
Alright, you should probably shut the fuck up before I eat your ass.
All the girls are on me. Damn. Everybody pay attention. This right here is my pretty boy sweet.
What the fuck you looking at?
That's great.
What the?
What's up? I'm Kyle, 19, and I'm just looking for a girl I can laugh with, you know?
New Super Mario Brothers. Wee!
What?
You good?
What? Nigga, I'm like experimenting.
When it comes to one-year-old Dante, Pierre, you are the father.
What's your advantage? I mean, girls can get a really good look at your physique and your butt, right?
Yeah. You know, my fiance kind of had a problem with it. That actually, I really don't have that much of a butt with this. If I had like a tighter waist, it would work. Kind of nice ass, but otherwise.
I want you to focus on the tip of this pen, so just follow it with your eyes, okay?
That's great.
What the?
Soulja Boy, I'm in it. Why me crack it? Why me roll?
Uno.
Draw 4. Draw 4 more. Change the color to red. Draw 2. Draw 2 more. Draw 2 more. Draw 2 more. Draw 2 more. Reverse back to me. Uno, out.
I hate you.
We can go now. Okay.
What it is, folks?
You just take your black retarded nasty ass home, you stupid.
What the fuck are you doing with this bullshit ass shit? Man, what the fuck is with the cheese? Toby, get him! Go get him! Go get him! Man, what the fuck? One more fucking time with the fucking cheese! I'm gonna fuck you!
I'm white.
I'm black.
I'm yellow. I'm red.
I'm gay.
This cocksucker just stole my fucking egg roll. Grimy ass cocksucking Brooklyn squirrel, you took my fucking egg roll. You fuck.
Alright, guys. So you guys are all flexing these crazy rooms you got. Check this out. We got a bed. We got a TV. We got more beds, but check this out right here, boys. You come in here.
Boom. Look at. What the? Save me. Oh shit, defense. Oh, jab, ding, jab. I want. Ah! Stop! Just get me. I got to know it. I'm out of here. I'm out of here, motherfuckers! Bitches! Hi, sister. Run! 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 Run!
Oh.
Why do women only like jerks who treat them like shit? Why do guys only want bitchy bimbos who walk all over them?
Bullshit. If I see that nigga in real life, nigga, my eyes motherfucking pop out. That nigga chick crazy. Man, that shit is crazy. That's your house, nigga. What you mean, who that is? He got niggas coming here tripping, man. This is bullshit, man. What the hell? Giggity, giggity, go! Hell no.
Fine. If I can't have my shoes, Karen can't have her mom.
Hole in one.
Number 11, your father will die.
Hamburger, 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 burger.
我任意